Do you need to turn one or more photos into a PDF without installing another app? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a hidden gallery lab feature that lets you do exactly that. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Tap the menu button at the bottom. Then tap Setting. Scroll to the bottom and tap Gallery Labs. Scroll down the screen. Under the One UI 5 section, turn on Save as PDF. Now go back and open an album. For this example, let's select 4 photos from the same meeting so we can combine them into a single PDF document. Tap Create at the bottom. Then tap Save as PDF. As a note, this option only appears after you enable Save as PDF in Gallery Labs. Now choose the page order. For this example, let's keep the default order so the photos stay in the same sequence as they appear in the album. Next, tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Save As. Select PDF file. Now choose the PDF format. For this example, let's select standard PDF because it's compatible with most PDF reader and is ideal for sharing. Choose the folder where you like to save the PDF. Tap Save. If needed, you can rename the file, then tap Save again. Your selected photos are now combined into a single PDF document. And that's how to save photos as a PDF using Gallery Labs on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.